Hey everyone, so here we are with Pixel Buds A series. So welcome to TechScale. I hope everyone is doing fine. So finally I have bought these Pixel Buds A series in India, and let's see how it is. And by the way, I bought this from Cred at the rate of rupees 4,999, and on Flipkart in India, on Flipkart it's being sold at 8800, that is 8,800, and I couldn't find it on Amazon. So and on Credit there was a sale going on, so I got it for rupees 5,000. So let's see what and how these perform, and let's do a proper unboxing first, right? So shout out to Decathlon for this amazing Solugnac hunting knife. So probably I'm hunting these packagings as of now. So yeah, I'll just keep it aside, and here we are. So very smoothly we have removed, okay, not smoothly, but yeah, we have removed. So it says Pixel Buds A series, and if I tell you very honestly, the box is very nothing extraordinary, or doesn't feel super premium. Let's see how are things inside, and I'm not sure how to open this, so probably I have to cut the seal or something, I don't know. I can open it from here. Okay, so here these are these little beauties. So let's keep the earphone aside and let's see what are we having in the box. So this is probably nothing, just some cardboard material. This is no plastic, even in fact this is also cardboard. So yeah, and let's see what they are giving us. Nothing, again a cardboard something. And this is a USB A to USB C cable, and this looks premium. I mean, yeah, this looks fine. At least they are giving a cable inside. And apart from this, I guess these are some paperwork and some pair of ear tips that is inside. So let's keep the box aside, and let me show you the retail price of these earphones. So in India, this is being sold at, the MRP is 10,000. That is 9999 or 9999, right? And if you see the country of origin, it is Vietnam, right? So this was manufactured in the year of 2021 in September. So I bought it on this year in what month this is? Oh my god, it's May, right? So let's see what they are giving us in the box and how these are. So okay, not very amazing experience, but yeah, this looks fine, I guess. Do they have something here? Okay, I'll just pop this out, I'm not sure. Okay, and the first, if you see, I have quite big hands, and these simply fit in my hands, and probably these are going to fit very nicely in my coin pocket in my trousers or something, right? So let's open. Okay, this is very smooth, and okay, we have this LED blinking light. This is this is nice, and we don't have any metal reinforcement here, but these earphones, this look premium. And we have this pairing button, I guess, and you can see this is a button, and from here we pair. So let's get the buds out. Okay, these looks nice, and let's get the other one out as well. So these are the buds that we get inside this case, and if you see, this is the right one, and this is probably the left one again. And these are very light. I'm not sure how much, I haven't weighted them, but yeah, these are very you can say very lightweight, and I'm sure very comfortable to wear as well. They're having these earlobes or some arcs. This is some sort of an arc, so it fits perfectly in your head, right? So let's put it back inside, and yeah, again, I'm not sure where to put which one. So again, this got slipped, and yeah, so I think, okay, again, this was a mistake. So this like this, and this like this. So this is how they fit inside, right? So let me pull my other phone, and let's do a pairing test, and let's see how they pair, right? So let me bring it here, and yeah, so I am already connected with my speakers, so I'll just simply disconnect, and let me turn off the dark mode so this won't hurt your eyes. Yeah, so apart from that, let's disconnect. Come on, man, why are you opening this? Come on. Yeah, so here we are. I'll simply disconnect, and now I'll go to pairing available devices are coming here. So I'll long press this button over here. I'll long press this. Let's see if there is some blinking light or something. So yeah, now the light is blinking, and here we are. I think I'm not able to find the earphones. I guess I have to press it for, again I'm going to press this for some amount of time, and let's see if this pops up. What it was told that it should automatically pop up if any Bluetooth device is nearby. So I guess this is not the way. So okay, now I can see them. This is Pixel Buds A series, and yeah, allow access and call logs because this can read you notifications as well. So I'll simply pair them, and yes, here we are. The Pixel Buds are good to go. We can also use high quality audio. Yes, definitely use high quality audio. And apart from that, let's download this, what do we call, Pixel Buds app. So Pixel Buds, yeah, I'll simply download this app, and this will have all the, okay, save, download. This is a 13 MB of app, and this will probably have all the information and the customization of these particular Pixel Buds. So okay, allow to determine the location, app permissions, we'll go to app permissions and allow to access the nearby. Yeah, we have allowed, and let's go back again, and please, it is showing please allow the nearby devices permission. Come on man, I have already done that. Okay, I'll simply go here and I'll open it again. Let's see if it asks me the same question again. Okay, so here we are. We have these controls over here. So touch controls, right? We can have these one. So let's wrap this video here, and this was let's call it a unboxing experience. And after that, in the next video, because this video is going to be a little long, so I'll simply make another video that will tell you how you can, do customizations and other stuff to these Pixel Buds. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.